Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and all of us are so busy, and so sometimes you just need to take a little shortcut in the kitchen. So this Mahatma jasmine rice is a really great little shortcut, but you will not sacrifice on flavor. This jasmine rice is really beautifully aromatic, it is really delicious, and I love that the grains are separate and they're not mushy, and also it is easy to prepare. So you can actually prepare it in the little pouch, and you can microwave it for about 90 seconds, or you can also cook this in a skillet. So it literally takes no time, and then you have your rice already done. So if you're in a hurry, you have a really busy weeknight and you're trying to get something together, then this is a really great option. I also love to use these for a quick lunch when I'm working from home, or for the base of a little power bowl. These are such a great option to keep on hand. So this delicious and flavorful jasmine rice is an awesome time saver, and it's also very tasty. So I would definitely recommend this, and that's my point of view.